for the students of class 8 on the topic 6 assignment. I'm repeating, today our topic is 6 assignment. And students, this is lecture number 10. So students, please take your notebook and writing elements. I'm going to discuss about the 6th assignment of English. So listen to me carefully. Students, you have submitted your other assignments of English. Now it's time to do your assignment 6. So for this, you have to follow chapter 5 or unit 5, Bangabandhu and Bangladesh. And you can take help from lesson 1, Bangabandhu and the language movement, lesson 2, the historic 7th March speech, lesson 3, Declaration of Independence, and lesson 4, the unfinished memoirs. Now, as a task or assignment, listen to the historic 7th March speech. Section A. Write a letter to your friend telling him or her how you feel when you listen to Bangabandhu's historic 7th March speech. So, you have to write a letter to your friend about Bangabandhu's historic 7th March speech. So, some instructions for you. What you have to do, students will have to follow the steps of writing a letter. So, you know how you have to write a letter as you are the students of class 8. You know how to write a letter and you have to follow the steps of writing letter. So, it means there must be address, there must be salutation, a body, a concluding. That means the 6th part of a letter you must have to give. You must have to provide the steps of writing letter. And assignment criteria are to get excellent. Students will be awarded excellent for relevant information, appropriate content and grammar, spelling, punctuation, complete communication and creativity. So I hope you all will provide all these and you will take care of your spelling, grammar, punctuation and about your creativity. Then you will get excellent. So it is very easy, I think, because you know what is later, how you have to write later. So you have to write a letter to your friend that you heard about Bangabandhu's historic 7th March speech, and you will write, you will give information about that in your letter. Students, I am not providing any other information because this is very easy and you have to show your creativity to get excellent. Here you can see the teacher's information. If you need any help, then you can contact your teacher. And now I'm providing the submission date. The submission date of your 6th assignment is 13th October. I'm repeating, 13th October is the last date of submitting your 6th assignment of English. Students, I think and I hope you have understood this topic and you will do your assignment and will submit your assignment in due time. That's all for today. See you in our next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.